Why do we still see light from dead stars? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star that no longer exists. How is that possible? Well, it all comes down to the way light travels across the universe. Light moves at a speed of about 186,000 miles per second. That's incredibly fast, but space is vast. Some stars are so far away that their light takes millions or even billions of years to reach us. When we see that light, we are actually looking back in time. Think of it like a cosmic time machine. If a star is a million light years away, the light we see today left that star a million years ago. If that star exploded or died after emitting that light, we would still see its glow for a long time. That's because the photons, tiny particles of light, are still traveling through space toward Earth. So even if the star no longer exists, its light continues to arrive, giving us a snapshot of the past. Now let's talk about what happens when stars die. Some become white dwarfs, which are dense, hot remnants that no longer fuse atoms but can still shine for billions of years. Others end as neutron stars or explode as supernovae, releasing a burst of light and energy. The light from these events can also be seen long after the actual event has happened. For example, the light from a supernova that exploded 1,000 years ago might just now be reaching us. The concept of a light year helps us understand this better. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 6 trillion miles. When we say a star is 10 million light years away, it means the light we see today left that star 10 million years ago. So, we are observing the star as it was in the distant past, not as it is now. Even though a star might have died or changed since that light left, we still see its glow because of the time it takes for light to travel through space. This is why astronomers can study the history of the universe by looking at distant stars and galaxies. Every bit of light we see is a message from the past, helping us piece together how the universe has changed over billions of years. Understanding this shows us how incredible space is. It also reminds us that when we look up at the night sky, we are seeing history written in light, a story that spans millions or billions of years. This is why the universe is like a giant archive, full of stories waiting to be discovered through the light that has traveled across the cosmos to reach us.